In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Typeform directly through Hubspot so your form responses sync automatically with your CRM. First, log into your Hubspot account and go to the Settings icon in the top right corner. From there, navigate to Integrations or Connected Apps. Click Connect an App and search for Typeform in the list of available integrations. Once you find Typeform, click Connect. Hubspot will open a window prompting you to log in and authenticate your Typeform account. Follow the on-screen instructions, select the Hubspot account you want to link, and approve the connection. After the integration is complete, Hubspot will automatically sync responses from your Typeform forms into your CRM. This makes it easy to manage leads, track submissions, and automate follow-ups without any manual work. That's it for connecting Typeform in Hubspot. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple HubSpot tutorials.